discuss a new topic, and the topic name is quartile. Let's start our class. So quartile is basically divided the series into 4 equal parts. So quartile means it's divided the observation into 4 equal parts. Basically quartile is divided into 3 major categories, and quartile is denoted into Q. So it has 3 types, that is Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1 stands for first quartile, and we can say that this is your lower quartile. Q2 stands for second quartile, or this can be also called median, and Q3 called third quartile, or upper quartile. Compute the quartile in 3 different series. First, we calculate quartile under individual series. So here the formula of Q1 under individual series is size of n plus 1 by 4th item, and Q3 will be size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. This is the example related to the individual series. We compute the quartile, that is Q1 and Q3. First we arrange the classes in ascending order or descending order. First I arrange the classes in ascending order. The order will be, first will be 2, then 3, then 6, 7, 10, 11 and last number is 15. As per the formula, Q1 equals to size of n plus 1 by 4th item. So that means n will be the total number. Total number is n, and here the total number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 7 plus 1 by 4th item. So this will be 8 by 4th item, and this is second item. Now we calculate second item in the series, that is 1, 2. So the second position of the series is 3, and the answer of first quartile will be 3. Next we calculate Q3, that is your upper quartile. In case of your individual series, the formula is size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. So here 3 into n equals to 7 plus 1 by 4th item, and this will be 3 into 8 by 4th item, that is 3 into 2 item. So the position is 6th item, and we compute the 6th position of the series. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer of the third quartile quartile. So as in case of your median, we calculate cumulative frequency first. So here we also calculate cumulative frequency. If the number is not in ascending or descending order, first we arrange the class, then we compute the CF. So the cumulative frequency will be 2, then 5, 10, 20, 27 and 31. And the summation of F, that is your total frequency, will be 31. So first we calculate lower quartile. So the formula is size of n plus 1 by 4th item. And here the n equals to number of items. So the number of items will be 31. So 31 plus 1 by 4th item. That means 32 by 4th item. And this will be 8 item. So 8 item will come under the frequency of 10. So here the Q1 will be, answer will be 30. So this is Q. Now we compute Q3 and the formula will be size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. So that means size of 3 into 31, n equals to total number plus 1 by 4th item. So now we compute this. This will be 32 by 4th item. That means 3 into 8th item. That means the position is 24th item. So here the 24 comes under 27. So that means the Q3 will be 50. So Q3 is 50 and Q1 is 30. So this is all about our today's lesson, where we compute quartile under individual series and discrete series. In the next class we will continue this chapter, and in this next class we will compute quartile under continuous series. Thank you for watching.